Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Informant. If you're new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, education, placement drives and many more. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do hit that red button so that you get latest notifications first on your screen. So today we are back with a very important video, that is KCET Option Entry 2025. Yes, we are going to show you live option entry of this year. There are few changes in the option entry. As you all know, we have to pay a fees of 750, and after that it's normal option entry. So the option entry link is enabled. It has been enabled yesterday night, I guess, but there were some problems in the link. It was not opening, but now it is opening. You can try. Some people might face payment issues, but yet it is opening. So I'll show you entire process. And this time they have not released any schedule, like when is the option entry, when is the mock result, first results. They have not released anything yet, right? So I'll be telling you what option after option entry, what are the next steps you must do after option entry, right? So before starting our today's video, I'll want to give you a quick update that we are, as you all know, our subscribers would already know that we are providing a service where we are helping candidates, students fill in their option entry in a very good manner to get best colleges of according to the ranking with best placements, right? So people find it difficult few times, few don't have knowledge. Many of you know, but those of you not know, it is a paid service. So we charge a nominal fee of 249. So if you want, you can fill out the Google form, right? Let's start with our today's video. So as you can see, if you log into the KA website, you can see over here the first notification, that is on 8/7, UGCT 2025 first round option entry link. So if you click onto this link, you land into this page where you need to scan your QR code. So we have made a video on how to download your KCET verification slip, if you remember. So candidates who have downloaded the verification slip, there you might have got the QR. So you did not know what's the use of QR. Now that comes into use, you need to click on Start Scan. Once you click on Start Scan, you need to give permissions to your camera if you are doing it into your laptop or phone. After giving the permission, scan the QR code. You'll get an OTP, right? You'll get an OTP at your phone. You need to enter the OTP and click on Verify OTP. So once you click on verify OTP, you get into this page where you need to do your face verification. So you need to capture a photo of yourself in the sense the candidate, right? So you should capture the photo, and after capturing the photo, make sure your face is clearly visible in the photo. Click on verify and login. After you click on verify and login, you'll get into this page. As you can see, initial stage itself, all category candidates have to pay a non-refundable amount of 250 commence before the commencement of option entry. So without paying this, the option entry link will not get enabled, right? So you need to click OK. After you click on OK, there is an option, if you can see over here, right? Pay online. You need to click on that option. After you click on that option, the option entry link, which is there over here left side, which is not enabled, which is not in blue yet, that gets enabled. If you can see, yes, I could not take the screenshot of that. So option entry link gets enabled. So as you can see, the option entry dates are given over here. The option entry starts from 1/1/2025, and this is sample demo date, but don't take this seriously. 25/8/25 is the 25th of August they are telling, but this is not the case. What I got to see, if you can see over here in previous slide, if you can see over here, the date which closes on 14th July 2025, right? What's the date today? After they've given like 3 to 4 days, right? You have still time. It closes on 14th July 2025. So make sure you don't get these dates wrong. You need to fill in before 12 a.m. 14th July 2024. This is option entry, right? After clicking on candidates option entry link, right, you'll get a notification where you can read that as I'm aware that option entered by me on the first round will continue in the subsequent rounds, right? So you'll get to do option entry only once, then after that only you'll get to rearrange, right? You cannot add and delete options. So that's the case. So you need to click on agree. After you click on agree, you'll get into this page where you need to select your course for which field you want to do your option entry. Assume you want to fill it out for engineering courses, right? click on engineering courses. Once you click on engineering courses, various engineering colleges, this page appears as assume like this. So you have two options to select your colleges. One is by course, one is by college. If you click on course, you'll get like mechanical engineering, computer science engineering. You can filter out by that courses itself, and you'll get list of colleges which are providing those courses. No, if you assume you don't want to go by course, you want to go by college, assume E001, which is VTU. So if you want to go, you can select college and you can see which all courses VTU offers. Then you can give option entry. How to give option entry? Like this is a very important step. As you can see in the left side, if you can see, VTU tab is open, and you can see over here option number. So assume you want to take up artificial intelligence. You want to give that as first option in VTU. In option number, you just need to come down and click on one over here. Then if assume you want to give computer science as your second option, you click on 2 over here in computer science, that is third row in VTU. Click on save and submit. If you click on save and submit, the same will reflect on the right side, which is in green, right? One, two, three, in the same order which you have given on left side. Assume you fill out 10 colleges, for example. As I have filled out few medical colleges for you know for for showing you. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the 10 colleges are in the right side. Now assume you want to reorder this. How to reorder? You just can change it in the right side. Right side in the green, if you can see option number, you just change from 1 to 2. Assume you want to select Mysore Medical College, which is in option 2. You want to put it out in the option 1. So what you need to do, clear 2 and type 1 over here in Mysore Medical College phase in the right side, which is in the green side. And for 2, that is Bangalore Medical College, click you clear 1 and put on 2. And down, if you can see, there is an update button, right? Click on that update button. Once you click on the update button, it gets rearranged. So if you want to rearrange, right side is the column. If you want to add the colleges, left side. So you can fill out various colleges, various courses from the left side. You can fill 100. There is no limit, right? You can fill out any, and make sure you click on save and submit so that it is not lost. Your data is not lost in case of any interruptions. I hope you guys are clear with this. I can brief you once again. Like left side is the option entry where you can give options 1 to 10 or 1 to 100, anything. You can select according to the courses, according to the colleges, anything. Once you click on save and submit, right side it will appear. If you want to modify, you need to just change the option number in the order in which you want to modify. I hope this is clear. If you still have doubts, you can drop down in the comment section. If you guys are having difficulty in understanding English, many of you have are from Kannada medium. So if you can post your comments in Kannada as well. We are happy to respond you in Kannada. That's not an issue. Motto is you must understand everything, right? So this is all. After you select, as I told you, you can modify. You can see over here in the screen right side. I can clear out 38 and put on some other option which I want, where I want to send that college number 38 to, right? This is the whole process, guys. After you do this, you can update. You can just download the option entry report. Thank you for watching our today's video. If you find our content informative, please subscribe. Stay tuned.